Hi, I'm Kent Gregoire. Your professional success means everything to us at Responsibility Centered Leadership. RCL is a global business consulting and training organization specializing in developing CEOs into leaders of world-class companies. We can help you generate winning strategies that you can easily implement to accelerate profitable and sustainable growth. We can show you and your entire sales team how to excel in selling to C-suite executives, where the top dollar deals are made and client loyalty means the most. Our team can assist you in developing a powerful culture where employees demand accountability. You know, that kind of environment that attracts and energizes exceptional people. We can even teach you how to transform ordinary workers into top performers and then lead them to new heights. If you're ready to break out and get on a path to lasting success, please visit Responsibility Centered Leadership at rcl-inc.com.